Hey everyone, welcome back to ATW Travels. Today I'm sharing something really special, my flight on a T-6 Texan Warbird at Ellington Airport in Houston. This unforgettable experience was a gift from my amazing wife Andrea for my 50th birthday late last year. Come along as we take you inside the cockpit for an incredible ride through history and the skies.
Year-olds used to do this, so you know, for those of us a little older, it's not quite as easy.
So you know I like to joke around. So we had this after
He's in!
Okay, yeah, no, and as far as here, also, I don't want to touch anything by accident.
Well, you're okay. This stuff may all move, because this is the dual controls.
Okay.
You don't need to worry about any of this stuff. The only one you need to touch is this.
Okay.
And that is push to talk.
Okay.
Hey Pat, what's going on?
Okay.
Everything's good, don't worry. All right, let me give you this.
Oh.
And I just dropped my glasses.
Okay, Tony's all set. He's strapped and buckled in. His pilot is a retired, I think they said Air Force pilot, so I know he's in safe hands. I'm excited. He said it's a little bit more roomier than he thought, so that's good. He has a headset on, so he'll be able to talk to the pilot. And I think total flight time is about 40 minutes. Okay, it's starting. Hi, babe. There he goes. Have fun, babe. Glad the plane is yellow. We'll be able to see
unbuckle myself?
Yeah, just across again and
Yay!
if you don't come away, you want to hop out, I'll lift your glasses.
I see them right there.
Oh yeah, really?
So I don't know if I
You know what? Tell you what, if there's anything in your pocket, let's not do it, because that might fall.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Getting out is reverse of what you did, so right foot on this thing.
Is this the most challenging part?
This is it. This is the test. Okay, you good?
Okay.
Alright.
And then left
Now
foot
slide
on the
your
wing.
foot back
Okay.
here. It's a long way back.
Watch your fingers.
Oh.
Alright.
Do you have air legs, like sea legs?
Okay. Just top off.
Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed my flight on the legendary T-6 Texan, an unforgettable experience. If you're interested, you can actually book this flight along with a few other options directly through the Lone Star Flight Museum's website. A big thank you to my amazing wife Andrea for giving me this incredible gift. And after the flight, we also had the chance to explore the museum and check out all the amazing aircraft on display. We appreciate you joining us on this adventure. See you in the next video.